So the stock market is currently setting up for phenomenal day trading opportunities heading into tomorrow to be trading both ways. I'm going to explain to you the exact key levels of interest on where we're planning to buy put options to make money as the market's dropping and where we're planning to buy call options to make money as the market's rising. With that being said, I'm going to prepare you to trade the best setups at the best prices. And then towards the end of this video, I'm going to be breaking down the trades that we ended up making. My first trade on the day was a phenomenal win, timed perfectly on SPY call options at one of the buy zones that I gave you yesterday, which was this overall zone right here of 636 to 635. Once I noticed that the SPY was forming a green, red, green confirmation at our overall buy zone to be day trading right here with the break and retest, I took advantage of buying call options and they quickly went up over 35%. In terms of the trades that G-Roar ended up making, we absolutely crushed it, man. I'm going to be breaking down all the trades that we ended up having. The first trade on the day was on SPY 637 puts for 45 cents a contract, adding to the winners, selling for a 100% profit return, green enough to walk away. And if you choose to keep on trading, the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your gains. The next trade after that was a 100% loss. But it does not matter because we were already green enough to walk away, and we also added to the winners, which doubled the gains. Now, in terms of the third trade, 6365 SPX puts for 100 cents a contract, ended up adding to the winners, selling in the 420 cent range. Fucking phenomenal, man. Over a 300% profit return after a 100% loss. Then after that, 6370 SPX calls for 160 cents, selling above 270 cents a contract. Losing remains a personal choice. For those of you in Team Roar, you're well aware of all the massive wins, and you're well aware of losing remaining a personal choice. With that being said, in terms of the overall game plan, let's get straight into the analysis. So, in terms of the overall SPY, this is what I want you to be aware of. We're setting up for a potential spike, then another drop. So, in terms of last night's game plan, you're well aware that the overall zone to be buying calls was right around here. It was at this level right here, the break and retest at 636. Also at this level right here, which is slightly lower towards 635.30. We had an oversold sell-off. We had a green, red, green confirmation. Once the confirmation came in, the SPY had a nice little spike, bringing these 636 calls from out of the money to about 50 cents in the money, where premiums went up, 30, 40% if you bought calls as this 30-minute candlestick was rising in the green, like we ended up doing. With that being said, in terms of where we're at right now, this is what it's looking like to me. It's looking something like this, right? So what we're doing is we're going to be comparing this overall pattern of July 3rd. You can see July 3rd, we have this massive move up. Then we start to drop, right? And then you can see as of recently on July 28th, we had this massive move up, very, very similar in its sense. And then we start to drop, right? Now, in terms of a massive shift, this is what I want to explain in terms of a big potential spike coming, then another drop, then another sell-off. There's going to be opportunities to be day trading both ways. Once the SPY went under this key support level, so this was key support, right? This was key resistance. Once we broke above this key resistance, massive move to the upside. Once we drop below this key support, nice crash. Once we started to consolidate around this level and then had a break and retest, we had the massive spike once again. So that could be what's potentially setting up. And if you're wondering where that level is, where the massive spike can likely occur, is going to be right here. The market ended up closing at 635.26. In terms of the key level of interest that I'm talking about, it's going to be right here. This is genuinely the make or break level heading into tomorrow, man. This new breakdown and retest level, 636. As you can see, the SPY ended up forming support at 636. And then once it cracked the support, we dropped all the way down to 634s. So 636 is your make or break zone. This is how I want you to think of it heading into tomorrow. Think of 636 as a resistance level, as a breakdown and retest level. Think of 635.30, the previous closing price, heading into tomorrow as a break and retest level, as a support level, right? So your zone heading into tomorrow, this is going to be basically the number one beginning zone to be trading at if we're around this range, is going to be this zone right here. And what I want you to understand is, in terms of most likely outcomes, SPY will attempt to drop first when it tests this level. As you can see, once it tested this breakdown retest level right here, it started to drop. And then when it drops, like it should initially, it's going to try to bounce and form support at this breakout and retest level, right? So this is support. SPY cracks the support. It spikes back up to the previous support, trying to form a new lower high. But then the bulls come in, combating that lower high with this previous resistance, now reacting as a floor, as a higher support. So you need to understand that in terms of this day trading opportunity, the stock market is in a crunch, and it's crunching between a breakdown and retest level right here and a breakout and retest level right here. So in order to determine if it's going to be a bullish or bearish move, before we get into that, I would like to say that the most likely outcome in terms of this pattern that I pointed out, the sharp move up and then the sharp fall, the sharp move up and then the sharp fall, the most likely outcome is a breakout. Look at this candle right here during extended hours trading session, the glitch in the system. And then with this similar pattern we had right here, the glitch in the system, we had the glitch in the system. And then once the SPY started to turn that key level where this was support, once we started to, break above this support level along with alignment of that pattern and that glitch in the system, basically the SPY had a massive spike and then it sold right back off. That's the most likely outcome. In terms of where we are at within the market, the most likely outcome is a nice spike towards this zone and then another sell-off, right? So in terms of the level, like I said, what you need to understand is this. If the SPY is maintaining above 635.30 to 635, it's still considered bullish. That means the bulls are putting on pressure. The bulls are maintaining bullish. Now, if you're wondering when the big move is going to happen, all we need is a break and a retest and a floor above 636, right? So as you can see right here, once the market breaks above 636, reacts bullish, drops back down and retest, bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, higher support, higher floor. You can look at multiple time frames, 5-minute time frame, 30-minute best confirmations, right? But the point being is, once we break above this level, right, has a nice breakout there, and then we drop back down, it could retest right here, or it can form a slightly higher support right here. When you're getting the breakout and the retest right towards this overall zone, and you're seeing bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, you're going to want to be buying calls, because what's going to happen is the SPY will then push above this level right here. And when it pushes above this level right here, above this like 630, 670, then we're going to get this nice breakout. In terms of the overall breakout, we'll be in alignment to be heading towards that overall 638 range. So that would be the next overall level. So that is the game plan for calls. If market's reacting bullish at 635, you could try to oversold level. If you're looking for the clean break, then keep your eyes on 636 to mid 636, the breakout and retest at that higher level. Those would be the zones for calls, right? So just understand, in terms of the overall market, it's going to try to push above this 638 level right here. And then in terms of our best zone for puts, is going to be right here towards 639.70 to 640. This is a breakdown retest level, a breakdown and retest level. The breakdown and retest strategy actually ended up working at the worst and lowest level mentioned for put options in yesterday's video. For those of you who were tuned in, I had stated that 638 would be the first initial level, the lowest level for puts. And that's 638. This was the support right here. This was the breakdown. This is the retest. It ended up being the exact highs on the day. And that was considered the lowest and worst level for puts. If you watched the analysis last night, this is where I really wanted to buy puts. I wanted to buy puts towards mid 639 to 640. So that still maintains the same in terms of the idea for puts, really pushing for that 640. The true best levels would be 640 and 643. And I would just ride that out and hold it. You could even look to do a one-dated option and swing trade that if it hasn't crashed already, if you want to give yourself some more time. But once we go to 640 to 643, that overall range should be a nice drop range where the SPY drops back down to around 637.50. So that's the overall game plan. That's where we're at in terms of the market. We're due for a spike, and then we're due for another drop. towards the upper range for puts, and then we'll take it from there. So that is how you trade. The best setups at the best prices. That is how you trade both ways heading into tomorrow. In terms of break of trend, there is no break of trend really analysis for overall, if market keeps on going bullish, because I still want to buy puts towards 640 to 643. And with overall price action, there's really not much to say in terms of an overall break of trend, because we're at such an oversold level for calls. There's really not much heading into tomorrow for a break of trend for overall calls, meaning the put zone will maintain the overall, a break of trend for overall puts. Basically what I'm saying is, if market goes to 640 to 643, it's going to be a phenomenal opportunity to go short. And in terms of a break of trend, if it pushed above 643 or something like that, there's nothing to say. In terms of the volatility, in terms of where the market's sitting at, we're sitting at oversold levels. It's obviously due for a pullback towards 640 to 643. So in this particular situation, what I'm saying is there's going to be no break of trend for puts. We're just going to keep the put zone at that zone no matter fucking what. Obviously use bearish confirmations. But since we're at an oversold level, there is a break of trend for calls, and this needs to be addressed. So in terms of the break of trend for calls, what you need to be aware of is, in terms of bears taking control, and I'm not really too interested in buying overall put options at these lower levels. I would be extremely careful and safe if you tried that. But basically, in terms of a break of trend for bulls, where SPY flips bearish at the lower levels and at the higher levels, what would need to happen is we would need to go under 634.50. We go under 634.50, spike back up a little bit, form lower highs into 635. Market's going to start to react bearish. And then where we're going to start to drop to, next level we're going to drop to is going to be right here. And then this would be a key level to try calls at 633.60. This is a nice key oversold resistance right here, breakout right here, retest here during extended hours, great level to be buying, right? So dip buying opportunity at 633.50. Next dip buying zone is 632.50 to 631, right? We also have a gap close reversal at 634.30, along with that 633.55 key support. So that's a great zone to keep an eye on for calls. Next levels below that, like I said, 632, 631, all breakout and retest levels, and a phenomenal gap close reversal at 629. So just to understand, in terms of the markets have a break of trend where it starts to sell off and go bearish at the lower levels, we need a crack below 634.50. If we go under 634.50 and maintain below 635.30, market's going to maintain overall bearish, and it's going to start to drop. Just be careful with puts, and then it will try to spike at one of the oversold levels. Look for key trend reversal confirmations. So that's what you need to be aware of in terms of break of trend. And I explained to you the most likely outcome, where the SPY is going to try to maintain around this overall range. And as long as it holds this tight range right here, we're going to get a break above 639, and then we're going to look for puts towards 640 to 643. And we're going to keep our eyes on calls if we're maintaining this range in between 635, break and retest, and also 636. Just to understand, the most likely outcome within the next 1 to 2 days, likely tomorrow, is a break above 639 and then a sell-off towards 640 to 643. Both of those plays should work. You're all well aware we were interested in buying calls at the oversold levels. We've been hitting the oversold levels, and SPY has been bouncing at the oversold levels since, and based off the pattern, it's on pace to start to break above 639, and then we're going to have another drop and sell-off towards 640 to 643. Those are the most likely outcomes, and I would encourage you to use the 30-minute chart as a mirror, as a reflection when you trade, of history repeating itself, of confirmations and patterns repeating itself. This just goes to show you once again, for those of you who are tuned in and you take advantage of the game plans and you follow along with the trade recaps and the trades we make, the strategy worked once again. This was the break and retest level that I had highlighted right here at 636. SPY had a massive breakout above the resistance at 636. It never retested. Yesterday's video stated we were interested in oversold dips. This was the first overall zone right here towards 636 to 635.40 to be buying calls, which is why, in terms of my first trade, this was the first trade that I ended up making on the day. And then after this, I had a Yolo, and the Yolo didn't work out, but that's completely fine, because when you're green enough to walk the fuck away, if you choose to keep on fucking trading, then the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your account. If your account is just too small where you can't afford to risk that, then stop fucking trading. It's your choice on what you choose to start trading with. Obviously, if you have $5,000 plus, it's going to be a lot easier to keep on trading, where you can just keep on taking the trades without risking a lot, and the system just maintains and works within your favor. So with that being said, This was the first trade at 12:58 p.m. So as you could see, as this 30-minute candlestick was getting ready to close and the new 30-minute candlestick at 1 p.m. was getting ready to open, my first trade on the day was 636 calls at 67 cents, right? So if you go right here, you're going to see in terms of the opening of this candlestick, right? If you go to 1 p.m., this was the opening. So I bought call options right before this 30-minute candlestick opened. And if you would have bought that, you would have been on 636 calls and they would have went 50 cents in the money and you would have made a nice quick return on that overall trade. I got in 2 minutes before this 30-minute candlestick opened, so I got in right around here when SPY was at like 636. The calls were literally at the money. The reason why I didn't go far out of the money on this particular trade is because it was expected to be a quick scalp and a small overall spike that I wanted to take advantage in terms of scalping this overall trade, right? So with that being said, I saw the opportunity with my overall, with last night's game plan, along with the educational curriculum of the, 2 hours of consolidation, 30, 60, 90, 120, along with the green, red, green, green, red, green, same fucking levels, next 30 minutes, green and fucking bullish, next 30 minutes, big fucking spike, set profit stops, because the SPY can have a reversal at this breakdown and retest level, which is exactly what fucking happened. And it was also how I was able to determine to actually sell the exact fucking peak on that. So with that being said, gotten these calls at 67 cents, using the game plan, using the curriculum that was provided last night with my first overall trade. And then I quickly sold them at 1:03 p.m. at 84 cents. The trades happen at the speed of light. That scalp played out in 5 fucking minutes. This is why you have to have your setup planted, rooted with the proper broker to trade 0-to-8 options, Charles Schwab, Thinkorswim, and have a stream deck hotkey set up where you push one button and get filled instantly with your market order. You need speed in the proper setup within this market to make trades like this where you time them accurately, 67 cents to 84 cents, right? That's a phenomenal quick overall scalp. And that's all it was supposed to be. So in terms of that overall trade, I'd recognized there was going to be a smaller win, and I quickly sold it once the move played out. Just looking for a quick spike in the money there. So sold that at 84 cents at 1:03 p.m. So if you go to 636 fucking calls, you're going to see using the levels, using the game plan, I was able to time this properly. SPY was already uptrending, so taking advantage of that momentum, the green, red, green, break and retest confirmation, gotten on the trade right here. As you could see, 636 calls, 12:58 p.m. You go to 12:58 p.m. This is where I'm in right here, 67 cents. And then it quickly spiked to 88 cents, and I sold at 84 cents. And it's a good thing I did that because as you can see, I sold the exact peak. And then SPY got absolutely annihilated after I sold, as it should, because I'm trading with a level system and a curriculum system on when to get in, when to get out. So it kind of makes sense in terms of this overall scalp, getting out at 1:03 p.m. If you go to 1:03 p.m., you're going to see I got out the exact fucking highs. And then once I got out, it just dropped like fucking crazy. It went from 90 cents all the way down to fucking 20 cents. So losing is a personal choice. When you take advantage of a level with the perfect confirmation and it was already trending up and it already had the fucking momentum, and it just made sense that it was just due for a bit more of a spike before having a reversal. So just taking advantage of the levels of the confirmation, I got in so later because of the confirmation. I waited for the green, red, green confirmation. I waited for 2 hours of fucking consolidation, and I was already getting on that momentum and spike. It's like, if something's already going fucking up, like how fucking shit could someone fucking be if they go fucking long, if they buy, and it just keeps on fucking going up? Like, if you're that fucking shit where you buy something that just keeps on trending up, where calls just keep on going 10, 20, 50, 100%, 200%, 300%. And you're the type of person when you get in, you buy, and then it just drops instantly, you buy the exact fucking peak. If that's fucking you, just fucking quit. Trading is just not for fucking you, man. It's like one of the easiest ways to make fucking money is literally when there's an established fucking trend and you just get in and out, but you have to know how to do it. It's easier said than done. Some people do it wrong because they get in on like a massive fucking rip and then it drops and then they cut their loss. You can get in on a massive fucking rip and still win if it drops if you just hold, don't use stop losses, put in your max risk overall per trade, or depending on how you look at the trend. Another easy way to trade the trend is to get in, when it has an oversold break and retest dip buying opportunity. That's what I would prefer. But it's just like, if you get in on momentum plays, it's so fucking easier. It's like it's already fucking going up. If something is already going straight the fuck up and it's proven and it's confirmed and it's a great fucking level and the confirmation is there, it's like, are you fucking telling me that if you go fucking long, that's going to be the exact fucking peak and it's going to fucking reverse? It's that fucking simple sometimes, but you got to know and understand the simplicity to that. But once that clicks, you'll really start to see of like the advantage of getting in on something that's already working within your favor instead of a reversal, even though I love trading reversals and that's my main overall strategy. But some easy money within this market is literally learning how to just trade the overall momentum and fucking trend. It's like if something has been going up and up and up and up, you're telling me that if you go long, it's just going to reverse and drop instantly and the trend's going to end? Like, how fucking shit could someone fucking be to like be in that fucking situation? It just wouldn't make sense. Like, once you understand how to see and determine what it is I'm talking about, you'll literally be like, this is a no fucking brainer to get in on. It's like, it almost feels like it's like just free fucking money, like just fucking given once you have this, you know, once you have this skill set, because you literally start to see it's like, it's gonna fucking go up a little bit fucking more. Just get the fuck in and get the fuck out when it makes sense and set the fucking profit stops when you're up 10 fucking %. It's like, how the fuck could you be fucking red? It's just going straight the fuck up, and then I get in towards the middle right here and then sell the fucking rip. It's like losing is personal fucking choice. But that's what I'm saying, man. Like, that's what, to me, what I just fucking talked about, that's what fucking open was to me. I sold this fucking penny stock at the exact fucking peak, man. At the exact fucking peak, man. This fucking play. I was looking at this fucking stock, man, and the night before I traded this stock on my fucking TikTok feed, I got a fucking million fucking posts on my fucking feed, which usually doesn't happen. I normally don't get stock fucking posts, but I was getting all these fucking posts, and it made so much sense to get in on this fucking stock. I was looking at it. I was saying the volume is at 700 million earlier into the fucking day. And I looked at the confirmation. I said, oh shit, it's got resistance right here. It's got a breakout right here. It's got green, red, green with a wick to test above. I was looking at this like, this is a no fucking brainer. It's got so much fucking volume. It's got a resistance. It's got a break. It's got a retest. It's got a higher floor for 2 fucking hours with the green, red, green. I'm like, this stock correlates with my system. But not only with that, I was looking at the fucking volume and I'm saying, man, this is just keeps on going straight the fuck up. So I'm looking at the stock and I'm saying, this went from like 50 fucking cents to fucking $4. You're telling me with my system, with my confirmations, with my levels, you're telling me with resistance, break, retest, green, red, green, in a stock that's been going straight the fuck up from 50 cents to fucking $4. You're telling me if I go fucking long at 4, that's going to be the exact peak and the exact fucking end? Like, are you fucking kidding me? That's why I'm saying, man, like, if you just follow stocks that are going straight the fuck up and you know how to buy the fucking dip on them, or you know how to buy a clean breakout on them, I prefer buying a clean breakout. So it's like, how the fuck can you go red? Like, you're telling me when you go long, you're going to go long at the exact fucking peak right here? When you go long, you're going to go long at the exact fucking peak right here? When you go long, you're going to go to the exact fucking... if you just find something that keeps on going straight the fuck up, non-fucking stop, it's like, how the fuck can someone lose on that? I just genuinely don't understand how the fuck anyone could fucking lose on stocks and option plays that are going up so fucking massively. If there's something that's constantly going up multiple 100%, 1,000%, you're telling me that when you get in, you're going to get in the exact fucking peak? It's like, it doesn't even fucking matter. If I bought this at fucking 450, I would have been profit stopped out at 480 and just rinse and fucking repeat. That's what I'm saying, man. There's so much easy money to be made if people have a system, if they have their fucking eyes open and they're patient enough to just wait to trade the rare best setups at best prices. Like, literally this pattern, break, retest, green, red, green, on a stock that's just going up non-fucking stop in the volume. I'm like, wow, this is rare. When the fuck do we see a stock with 700 fucking million on fucking volume that was literally fucking trading at 50 cents not too long ago? And I'm looking at this saying, the volume's at 700 million now. It's a Monday. Everybody's bored as fuck. And the whole fucking world is pumping this fucking stock. I'm looking at it saying, this is a fucking no-brainer. This stock, the whole fucking world was fucking talking about this. So I waited to use my system instead of just blindly jumping in with the fucking herd. I waited to use my fucking system, with education and confirmation levels. And I took advantage of the opportunity, but it's just the volume made so much sense. It was so early in the day, 700 million in volume. I'm sitting here saying, the volume's at 700 fucking million. There's bullish reasons to be buying, despite it being up fucking, whatever the fuck, 50 cents to fucking 400 cents, despite it being up like 1,000 fucking %. Some people look at that as like a red fucking flag. Oh, it's up 1,000%. Don't buy the stock. I'm looking at it like saying, you're telling me if it's up 1,000% and I buy this, it's not going to go up 1,000 fucking 40%? Like, are you fucking kidding me? What are you going to do? Go fucking short at 1,000 and hope it doesn't go to fucking 2,000%? Like, people, man, some people just don't see it, man. But there's easy money to be fucking made on stocks that are going up a fuck ton, even if you're getting in later with the proper system, scalping in and fucking out. You look at this shit like it's free fucking money. It's just what you have to understand is once the fall comes, it fucking comes and it gets absolutely fucking annihilated. But yeah, that's one of the last. I did it on SPY today. And then I did this on open stock not too long ago. But yeah, I was looking at that stock, like it had 700 million in volume early in the day. And I'm sitting here saying, this stock's going to go over a fucking billion in fucking volume. You're telling me that's not going to push it fucking higher? It was such a fucking no-brainer, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. I see it happen all the time, with influencers too. When you see certain influencers getting in on something and telling everyone about it, you fucking know, like, these people see it. They see this is about to fucking pump like crazy. So they put a fuck ton of money in it. And the reason why they put a fuck ton of money in this, because they know it's like rare setups. Even though they might even be getting in towards the fucking peak, they just know it's going to go up a little bit fucking higher. So some people just size in so fucking heavy and set fucking profit stops because they're just so fucking sure and certain that this has more room to run despite how, much up it fucking was. That's another system and strategy. But yeah, like I said, I literally sold this at the exact fucking peak, man. This fucking stock. Look at this, sold at 122. That was on July 21st. I bought options on this. I also bought shares and I sold the exact peak, July 21st at 2:21 p.m. I sold my options for 150%, sold my shares for a nice quick return on that. If you go to 2:20 p.m., I literally got out at the exact fucking peak. The opening of this candle right here at the highs, the opening of this is at 2:30 p.m. I sold the exact fucking peak. And then after that, I was fucking done with it. I saw it. If you watch my video, I literally said there's going to be a quick dip buying opportunity and then there's going to be a short opportunity. I said you can short the living shit out of it. It's going to fucking crash and now it's fucking dead. I'll keep an eye on it though. It's got some oversold gaps to fill at 165. This will be a nice, interesting play at 150. But yeah, that's what you got to do within the market. You got to keep on moving to the overall next one and also wait for the previous ones to get to the oversold levels. I mean, this stock right here, this is a very interesting stock to keep your eyes on for the long term. That's fucking wild. What's wild about this fucking stock is not a single fucking person is watching it or really knows about it. And this literally just hit 280. If you're looking for something to invest into for the long term, if you're looking to make like a high risk investment, like a Yolo where it can just go to fucking zero, I would take some size on a SAVA. This is just one of those stocks where it's like, it has so much big upside potential and it's so fucking low, it's going to be hard to lose money in a sense. And even if you did lose on a trade, it's like, it's worth the fucking risk because it's just such a rare opportunity. And Sava always has a history of recovering and filling the gaps over time. And we're literally sitting at $2 a share and there's a gap to fill in like $30 range. So this is a very interesting rare opportunity to be going long for the long term. Still keeping my eyes on Webull as of now. If you look at the pattern on Webull is currently flipped bearish for the micro for the short term. Now I'm looking to see how it reacts to 1290. But at some point, this will have a nice bounce. But right now, it's just on an overall downtrend. But it's definitely going to have a nice bounce at some point. But if you look at this overall pattern, this is very, very similar in terms of Webull stock. Take a look at this overall pattern that's been repeating. And we're going to be setting up for a swing trading opportunity right here. I've been tracking this one closely because you guys know I've been watching these oversold plays, looking to take advantage of overall momentum and opportunities, and also look to take advantage of strong uptrends that are overbought. But in terms of this situation, red candle, and then we have two greens slanted to the right, two greens slanted to the right. Then we have a red candle, then we have a red candle, right? So if you look at this overall trend, how the 30-minute candles look, you're going to see this is identical. Red, red, green, green, red, green, green, red. And look at how the candles are identical. Look at how this candle is identical to this candle almost. Look at how this candle is very, very similar to these candles right here. Look at how this red candle is very, very similar to this red candle right here. This is the death candle at key resistance with the double top. And then what does Webull start to do? It starts to sell off massively. And then at some point, it has a nice little bounce from 1150 all the way to 14, right? So we got a break and retest level right here. I'll be keeping an eye on 12s. And as you can see over time, it filled the gap. Webull had a gap to fill right here at 1650, ended up dropping all the way to 10, and then it filled the gap over time. So the reason why a play is opening up here is we have the gap at 1572, which over time is going to fill, which means the swing trading is setting up, but we still have more potential downside, right? So we got to wait for some consolidation, wait for some trend reversals, wait for some break and retest, but long term, it's going to be setting up for an opportunity for 1570. So now, in terms of my understanding here, there's more downside potential, but it's not at the best levels to short, but it's likely going to go lower and it looks bearish. But I'd much rather prefer and just kind of wait for an opportunity to go long, which is likely going to be later than sooner. You know, we still got more downside potential. Not really the biggest fan of trying to short, you know, stocks like this that are literally going towards lower and lower levels. But the way this is setting up, we're setting up for more downside potential. So from here, it's just a watch and then waiting to go long to fill the gap at 1570. Once I see signs of reversal and a break and retest level, just want to share, just, you know, some knowledge with you on that. But, you know, in terms of the overall trades, I explained to you my trade. You know, I had that nice trade on SPY, first trade of the day. It was in full alignment with the buy zone of the game plan along with the curriculum. And then after that, I had a loss on Yolos. I ended up doing Yolos today on SPY and SPX. So during power hour, we did the Yolo extravaganza, risking 50 to 100 a contract to make, you know, 300 to 500, sometimes 1,000 to 2,000 a contract. So after that win, I took a Yolo and it didn't work out. But like I said, it doesn't fucking matter if you lose after a nice win, because you're green enough to walk away. And if you choose to keep on fucking trading, then you risk 25 to 50% of your gains. If you know, if your account is that small where you can't risk, where you have to risk all your fucking gains, then don't take the trade. There's your answer. Just walk the fuck away. Risk 25 to 50% of your gains. If you give that back, walk the fuck away, because we're not going to go green to red when we're green enough to walk away. Now, in terms of the other trades that we ended up having, right? So I started off my day with a nice win, and then I had a loss during the power hour trading session, but losing remains a personal choice with the overall system. So in terms of the overall trades, you're going to see right here, this is the morning trade. 637 SPY puts for 45 cents a contract at 9:33 a.m. So if you go to 9:33 a.m., you're going to see why the market open trades are the absolute best inside of Team Roar. You ain't going to be able to find any better market open trades than this. These are the absolute best market open fucking trades. As you can fucking see, we're the absolute fucking best. It's unfucking deniable. We are untouchable. We are unfucking reachable. We are the absolute fucking best. Nobody's in our fucking level, and we're sealed. That means we're fucking sealed. We stay the fucking best. Losing's a personal fucking choice. As you can see, we're the fucking best. No fucking questions asked. We're the fucking best. 637 fucking puts right here. This is the market open trade. I gave you guys the opportunity to join yesterday. For the many of you who took it, congratulations. You're green. You're green as fuck. Losing's a choice. If you didn't take the opportunity, you still have a chance. This is the first link down below in the description. If you want to print non-fucking stop, it's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print, speed of fucking light. 630 fucking 7 puts, 45 cents a contract, green. Understand? Green fucking circle. Not fucking red fucking circle, green fucking circle. The only thing fucking red here is the fucking watermelon. All the fucking watermelon you could fucking eat from all the fucking gains, from all the fucking print at the speed of fucking light. Unlimited fucking watermelon, unlimited fucking green circles, unlimited fucking speed, unlimited fucking printing. Losing is a personal fucking choice. 630 fucking 7 puts at 45 cents a contract at 9:33 a.m. So if you go to 9:33 a.m., you're going to see why we're the absolute fucking best, because we ended up buying 630 fucking 7 SPY fucking puts at the exact fucking lows right before the fucking SPY fucking lapsed, right? So this means we're the fucking best. You know, if you want to know what the fucking best looks like, I'm showing you. This right here, this message here, let's fucking dissect it. I'll dissect the whole fucking mirror for you. So these are the dots. You understand? These are the dots. What do the dots mean? That means that something is fucking loading. You understand? Something is fucking loading. We are well fucking equipped. We are charged the fuck up. When you see the fucking dots, you need to understand that a play is fucking coming. We're locked. We're fucking loaded. We're charged the fuck up. The dots are fucking coming. The play is fucking coming. And everybody's waiting. They're all fucking waiting. Oh, what's the play? What's the play? What's the play? What's the response going to be? Boom. 637 fucking puts, 45 fucking cents at the exact fucking lows. Drop a single fucking name or a single fucking group who's doing this every single fucking day. Multi-fucking millionaires making traders shit fucking rich. Every single fucking day. Losing's a personal fucking choice. If you're not in on fucking puts at the exact fucking lows, then get the fuck inside of Team Roar. Click the first link down below with an description. Join our fucking group. You'll print at the speed of fucking light. If you want to see what it fucking looks like, 30 fucking cents all the way to fucking 240. This fucking chart is a direct reflection and correlation of our fucking results, of our fucking team. Who fucking prints like us? Absolutely fucking nobody. We are unfucking deniable. We are the absolute fucking best. 630 fucking 7 puts, 45 cents a fucking contract. What the fuck do we do to make traders rich? We add to fucking winners. The reason why we add to winners is because when we win, we tend to win big. And the only way to safely win big in this market is to quickly add to winners. Most people who buy at 45 cents sell when it goes to 55 cents. They get in at 45 and they sell at 55. They get all hyped up. They scalp. They get in. They get fucking out. Smaller wins. Great percentage gains compared to trading the fucking stocks, right? Great percentage gains for those of you who go in the fucking money. But for those of you who are the absolute fucking best and who have access to the best 0 to 8 far out of money option trading alert system in the fucking market, you're well fucking aware when we're up a small amount, meaning when this goes from 45 to 55, a small amount, that doesn't mean a small amount in dollars, that means a small amount in fucking percentages, right? When we're up a small amount in fucking percentages, 45 to fucking 55, we're fucking adding. We're fucking adding. Why the fuck are you adding? The play just went up 10 fucking cents. You're up over 20 fucking percent. Why the fuck are you adding when you're up 20 fucking percent? Well, we can't add to fucking losers because the play doesn't even fucking drop. And if the play did fucking drop, why the fuck would we add to a loser? Suppose it doesn't come back to life. We just doubled the fucking loss. But if you add to a fucking winner instead of fucking profit stop, it is impossible to go green to red. How the fuck are you going to go red if you're green on a trade and you set a profit stop? But if you're green on a trade and you set a stop loss, you go green to red, you get stopped out. Then the trade comes back to life. And then you're like, man, all I had to do was hold the trade. And then you start to question, why didn't you hold the trade? Because you were taught the wrong way to trade. What did you do? You were taught to buy and sell quickly for a small win, and then you make no gains, so you size in big. And since you sized in big, you have no fucking room to let it run. You have no fucking buffer. You have a tight fucking stop. A stop loss is a fucking chain. It's a fucking shackle. It's the fucking matrix. They all want you to fucking lose. That's why they tell you to use stop losses. If you want to stop fucking losing, then stop using fucking stop losses. Wake the fuck up, man. Are you seeing this fucking chart? You get profit stopped out right here. It's about fucking 70. You're in at the fucking low. You're adding right here at 50 fucking 5. Your profit stopped out right here at 70 fucking cents. You set the profit stops when you're up 10% plus. You move the profit stops up higher. And then the trade goes straight back down to our initial fucking entry. And then it pushes fucking higher. How many fucking times does this happen? All the fucking time. 240 fucking cents. So, we had at 55 fucking cents, and we had to double the gains. We want to double the gains because we want everyone to get shit fucking rich. If you don't want to get shit fucking rich, then don't join our fucking group. Our group is not for you. If you do not want to get fucking rich, if you do not want to be fucking successful, stay the fuck away from us. It's not for fucking you. We sold at fucking 105. 11:05 a.m. Sold at 105. So, that's what green enough to walk the fuck away looks like, man. In the first hour and a half, you're fucking done for the fucking day, man. Fuck. Your 9 to 5 is done in the first fucking hour. You understand? One fucking contract at 40 fucking 5, adding at fucking 55, selling at fucking 150. If you're trading with a small account, you just made $200. Your 9 to 5 is done in one fucking hour. And if it's done in your fucking red, you come back during power hour and you make it all back. We'll bail you the fuck out. We will bail you the fuck out. If we can't bail you out by fucking power hour, cancel the subscription. Leave. Get the fuck out of the group. Our group is sacred. Our group is rare. Our group is sealed. We have a loyal base who's been with us for fucking years. Hundreds of members been with us for fucking years. Never fucking left. Even the people who leave, they come fucking back because they know we have something that nobody fucking else has. You know? People come and go all the time. They need a break or things, happen within life. And things shift, but they come back. So many people come back inside of Team Roar because they know our group fucks. It's unlimited fucking win. It's unlimited fucking printing. Nobody is printing at the speed of fucking light like this. You cannot name a single secured private organization, a single other trader who is winning this big, this fucking much It's unlimited fucking winning. It's unlimited fucking print, unlimited fucking winning. Non-fucking stop. All we do is fucking print. We don't even call it fucking trading anymore. We just call it winning. Even when we lose, we're still winning because we keep on fucking winning. That's what people don't understand. We win even when we lose because we keep fucking winning. A loss isn't even a setback. It's part of the fucking process to fucking winning. You had 100% loss? Good. Here, let me wake you all the fuck up. You want to wake the fuck up? Look, I'll wake you the fuck up. Look. 100% win. First trade your day. Double the fucking gains. Double the fucking win. You're green enough to walk away. If you choose to keep on winning, then the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your fucking wins. So we had 100% win, and then right here, we had 100% loss. Oh, so you're probably saying, oh, well, net positive, you're break even. You're break even net positive. You won 100% win, won 100% loss. Well, we added to the win, and also, it's not just because we added to the fucking win, it's also understanding this. When you are green enough to walk the fuck away, and if you choose to keep on trading instead of doing whatever the fuck you want to do after you're green enough to fucking walk away, then the most you risk is 50% to 25% of your gains. Therefore, it does not fucking matter. We could have had 20 losses in a row after this, and it wouldn't fucking matter because we trade with 5, 6-figure overall count ranges, right? And when you're trading within that overall range, you could just keep on trading. Obviously, when you have a small account, there's a bit of a buffer on what you can do in terms of keep on trading, keep on winning, right? But the point being is, we could have had 20 losses in a row after this, but it doesn't fucking matter because we're green enough to walk away. The day resets every single fucking day. So if you're green enough to walk away and you choose to keep on fucking trading and you keep on fucking losing on the day, the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your gains. If you give it back, then stop trading because you're not going to go green to red. So after that, we had a 100% loss. The reason why the 100% loss doesn't matter is because we were already green enough to walk the fuck away. And the reason why we choose to not walk the fuck away is because we keep on fucking winning even after we have a fucking loss. 100% loss. Oh, 100% loss. Oh, 50% fucking win rate. 100% fucking loss. We're so fucking shit. Yeah, if we were so fucking shit with a 50% win rate and they were 100% win and 100% loss, then how the fuck are we so net fucking positive with our fucking system? By adding to fucking winners, by being green enough to walk away, by choosing to risk less on the next trades that we keep on trading because we choose to keep on fucking winning. And we're well aware that our SPX Yolo extravaganzas print like fucking crazy from 3:30 p.m. to 4 fucking p.m. We're the fucking best, even when people look at us like fucking shit, and they look at us like we're fucking shit because they don't understand our fucking system. They don't trade systematically. They trade off fucking win rate. They go, oh, fucking 100% return here, 100% loss right here, 50% win rate. Oh, they must be break even. Oh, they must be fucking shit. I'm over here saying, dude, we doubled the fucking wins. We were green enough to walk away. Risk management 101. The most you risk 25% to 50% of your realized fucking gains. So that 100% loss ain't big anymore because the most we risk is 25 to 50% of our realized gains, right? That's what the fuck I have to say. So the win rate doesn't fucking matter. That's a fucking illusion. In this fucking situation, it doesn't even fucking matter that with 100% win and 100% loss, it doesn't even fucking matter that we're break-even fucking percentages because we added to the fucking winners because we fucking win non-fucking stop. But look, this is fucking why. This is why we keep on trading. You want to know why we keep on trading? We don't even call it trading anymore. We just call it keep on fucking winning. We know we're the absolute fucking best, so we just keep on winning. It's just unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. So if you go to 3:38 fucking p.m., you're going to see right fucking here, 6365 SPX puts for 100 cents, right? This is what the fuck we do after losing a 100%, after being green enough to walk the fuck away. This is why we keep on winning, because we're just well aware that it's just unlimited fucking winning and unlimited fucking printing inside of Team fucking Roar. We're just well aware that no one has access to this secured private organization unless you click the first link down below within the description. So with that being said, it's at 100 cents a contract at 3:28 p.m. If you go to 3:28 p.m. on 6365 SPX fucking puts, you're going to see, just like our first trade, on why we're the absolute fucking best. And you're going to see what happens after we lose 100%. and you're going to see why we lose 100%. Oh, why the fuck do you lose a fucking 100% on fucking 6385 SPX fucking calls? Why do you choose to lose 100%? I'll show you why. You want to see why we choose to lose 100%? You want to choose why we choose to keep on trading even though we're green enough to walk away? I'll fucking show you why. It's because we have a system where the percentage gains always outweigh the percentage losses, and we add to the wins and we set profit stops, and by adding to the wins, it doubles, triples your gains. It's almost as if you want to get shit fucking rich, you can literally join the fucking group and trade with us non-fucking stop and gain access to the best fucking trades, because we ended up buying 6365 SPX fucking puts at 3:28 p.m. And if you go to 3:28 p.m., you're going to see just like the morning trade on fucking 637 fucking puts. We bought those at the exact fucking lows. This is 100 cents a contract, and then within fucking minutes, the trade went to fucking 440. How the fuck can anyone be fucking red? How the fuck can anyone be fucking red when you're green enough to walk away, and then there's a 50% win rate, but you added to the fucking winners, and then you also had this fucking trade that goes up 300 fucking percent. Losing's a personal fucking choice. Losing is a personal fucking choice. If you're red, good, you fucking deserve it. If you're losing fucking money, good, you fucking deserve it. Losing is a personal fucking choice. Every single fucking day inside of fucking Team Roar, even if there ever is a fucking red day, which rarely ever fucking happens, losing is a personal choice. Oh, we had a red day? Good. We're green for the fucking week. Oh, we had a red week? Oh, wait, that's never happened. We've never had a red week inside of Team Roar. It's never fucking happened. What the fuck is a red week? What is a red week? What the fuck is a red week? Does anyone know what a fucking red week looks like? 6365 SPX fucking puts for 100 fucking cents. So, on this fucking side, on this fucking dimension, on this fucking stratosphere, this is what the fuck we do. You understand? We add to the fucking winners. 3:32 p.m., we add to the winners. Why do we add to the winners at the lows? Because when you add to the winners at the lows, you get shit fucking rich. That's why. All we're trying to do is make everyone fucking rich. Is that such a bad thing? We just want everyone to be fucking rich. That's our goal. We set a goal, and our goal was, okay, let's create a system that makes everyone fucking rich. And let's show the whole fucking world that our system's the best and their system's fucking shit. They don't even have a fucking system. What the fuck are they doing over there? Oh, buy and sell. Oh, I bought the stock at fucking 10. I sold it at fucking 11. Oh, I set my stop loss at fucking 950. They ain't doing shit over there. You understand? Over here, people getting shit fucking rich. Over here, people ain't fucking leaving. Over here, people are genuinely fucking afraid if this fucking goes away. If this shit fucking all of a sudden fucking boom, it's just fucking gone. If there's just something fucking happen. If they got banned from the group or some fucking shit. Fucking terrified to fucking leave. It's like, dude, they don't want to fucking leave. They're not fucking leaving. If they fucking leave, they come back. They have a realization. They're like, fuck, I can't get this anywhere fucking else. I want this. I want to get back in on this fucking group. I'm fucking telling you, man. 100 cents added at the fucking lows. Fucking phenomenal. Look, the quote's moving in real fucking time. Green as fuck. Green as fuck. Look, it's nice. Someone took the time out of their fucking day to write nice. Who the fuck do you know is writing nice in the group with fucking emojis? That's creative as fuck. I told you our group fucks. They're writing fucking nice in fucking letters. That takes fucking time and fucking effort. That's fucking creative as shit. So, sold at fucking 3:40 fucking p.m. I'm satisfied. Are you fucking satisfied? If you're in Team Roar, are you fucking satisfied? We're fucking satisfied. We're fucking satisfied. We sold at fucking, we got in at 3:28 p.m. at the fucking low. We got in at the low. We added at the fucking low. All right? Where are we at the low? Where are we buying at the low? It's on the fucking low. You understand? It's on the fucking low. It's fucking free to join. You join, you pay for the group, boom. You make it all back in the first trade. It's free. It's the best investment you can fucking make. You're gonna be so fucking green you can write off on your fucking taxes. You actually have a reason to write off a fucking business expense. Fuck. If you're making fucking money, you're gonna need fucking business expenses. Well, this is a business expense. You know, some of you think it's an expense. Well, it's a fucking investment. You buy at the fucking low, you add at the fucking low, you sell at the fucking peak. Is that an expense? What's an expense is not buying at the low, adding at the low, and selling the fucking peak. That's what an expense is. What an investment is buying at the low, adding at the low, selling at the fucking peak. So, you fucking choose what the fuck you want to do. You can join us, you can invest with us, you can level the fuck up, you can grow, you become fucking better, or you could fucking do it all on your own and compete against traders like us. This is what you're up against. I'm genuinely showing you. You know, we're well aware as real fucking traders who've been in the game for over a decade, people want to see what's the real deal look like. People want to see results every single fucking day. People want to see like, man, is the stock market real? Or is it just an illusion? Is it all just an illusion where people just genuinely all lose their money in the end? Or is this real?
Do people actually make money long term? Like do people actually do it? You know, people just regular people, do they actually fucking do it long term? Do they actually make money long term? Or is it just politicians? Or is it just manipulation? What is the stock market? Is it just a scam? Is it just a fucking illusion? Well, I'm fucking showing you what it is over here. It's unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print, the speed of fucking light. What I'm showing you is something that nobody else can fucking show you because they don't have access to this. It's the first link down below in the description, man. I'm telling you. Look at his fucking results. Fucking sold. 3:40 p.m. sold. Fucking satisfied. That's 10 fucking K. 10 fucking K made like that. What's a 100% loss to a 400% win? We had a loss? Where was the loss? Oh yeah, we had 100% loss. We just made 400% though. Did we even lose? What's red? Oh, red. That's not red's not even fucking real at this point. Red? Oh, well, that's part of the process. You have to have some red to have some big green. You know, we probably wouldn't have made 400% if we didn't take that other trade and lose 100% first. You know, maybe this 100% loss led us to this 400% win. Maybe going red led us to going green. It's almost as if we have a process. We have a fucking system where it's just unlimited fucking win, unlimited fucking print. It's like, this is why I say good. We had a red day, good. We had 200% losses in a row, good. We always do what's best. Even when we're red, even when we're losing fucking money, we're doing what's absolute fucking best. Because in the end, we come out green on fucking top. Trading's a fucking process. You start your day fucking red, good. We'll bail you out during power hour. If we have a red day, good. We'll bail you out by the end of the fucking week and get you green as fuck. Losing is a personal fucking choice. I fucking declare it. I fucking declare it. On our secured private organization. We're never going fucking red. Fuck red. We're done with red days. We're retired from fucking red days. Fuck a red day. If we have a fucking red day, we're going to take it extremely fucking personal, and it's going to be the biggest fucking green week on the fucking planet. Fuck it, I can't even remember the last time we had a fucking red day. Losing is a personal fucking choice, you know? If we had a fucking red day, fuck, it's like, we're going to be green for the week. We're going to be green for the month. We're going to be green for the fucking year. Time goes on. It's not like you have a fucking red day and that's it. Time's up. Unless you're just full fucking porting. And then you work and save up for the next fucking portfolio to do it all over again. Unless that's what the fuck you guys are fucking doing. You know, we're well aware. There's a lot of fucking degenerates in the market. If they come over here, they could try to follow the system or they could try to abuse it. They could say, wow, all these trades are fucking hitting. There's so much wind over here. Some fucker might get bored. They might start full porting every trade. And they might turn fucking 1K into fucking 500K and then they fucking give it all back. Or they might keep it. They might hit big. Depends, you know. Everyone's different, man. But I'm telling you, people come in here and they hit fucking big. I see it all the time, man. Small accounts come in here. They quickly run up fucking 5 to 10K like it's fucking nothing and then do it all again with a small account. Fucking run this shit up, man. It's unlimited fucking winning. So after that massive fucking win, we just kept on winning. Because it's like, when you just know, you just win, you know? I told you, it's like that fucking Weekend song. Like, I know fucking everything. That Weekend song, man. The fucking knowing. We know that we just win, so we just choose to keep on winning. It's like part of losing has become part of winning. We turn trading into a way where losing is now winning. That's why we say good. We had 201% losses and you're all fucking red. Good. The next fucking trade will be 1,000% win, and then they won't take the 1,000% win because they don't stomach the 200% losses. They let them, they fade out. You know, some people are like that. Some people don't trust the overall system. Some people don't trust the process. You know, some people aren't used to that, joining a group and then there's 200% losses and they're all fucking pissed off, talking fucking shit, bitching, whining, fucking complaining, getting kicked the fuck out of the group or some shit. And then fucking we hit a 1,000% win. We see it all the time, man. It's always the newbies, man. I would say people are leveling up. People are becoming better. They're becoming smarter. Evolution is beautiful. We only probably have about, out of every 100 people that join, when something happens, like 2 losses in a row or some shit, we probably only have like 2 people that bitch, whine, and complain. Just fucking 2 of them, man. And then they stop instantly because the mirror hits them and they see the reflection and they're like, oh shit, I can't say shit. These guys are the fucking shit. It's like, that's why I'm fucking saying, man, like, losing's a personal choice. At the end of the day in the stock market, if you're going to get involved, you need to see what the fuck you're going up against. And you need to be aware that you're going up against people who've been doing this for over a decade who just win non-fucking stop. They're just the best at it. They're gifted at it. They put in the time. They put in the work. And it's their niche and it's their craft and it's what they're best at. So like I said, losing's a personal choice. 6370, it's your choice on who you decide to trade with and what group you decide to join. We give you access to the best trades within the market So 6370 SPX calls for 160 cents at 3:45 p.m. You go to 3:45 p.m. You're going to see we got them right here, 160 cents. And in terms of this overall trade, it went to 285 cents, right? As you can see, it went to 285 cents, and then it quickly went to 320 cents, right? Set the profit stops when you're up 10% plus. So after that, there was a loss, which doesn't fucking matter because we just had fucking 500% returns before that. And then before that, we had a 100% loss. And then before that, we had a 100% win. And we added to a couple of the winners. So losing to personal fucking choice, green as fuck on the fucking day. So if you're red, if it's not working out, then just fucking quit. Trading's just not for you. If you're green, like, the vast majority of the fucking group, every single fucking day, for those of you who are like a fucking awake, if you're not in the fucking group yet, I would encourage you to just click the fucking link and get the fuck in and make fucking money at the speed of fucking light. $510 profit, 100% profit return on 6375 puts. That right there covers 3 costs staying here. 120% profit return, 120% gain. Losing to personal fucking choice. $780 profit on SPXW, 6365 SPX puts. That's the trade we literally got in the exact fucking lows. $800 profit, fucking amazing. 12% return, fucking nice on 6395 calls. $650 profit during the power hour trading session. 636 buy puts, $1,000 profit. 637 puts, $1,000 profit. So that right there, that's more than a year to stay with us in just one single fucking day. Like I said, it's like we don't even charge. It's like just free to join the group. For those of you who actually like get the format and it works for you, it's basically free. It's not even an investment. It's literally a free. It's basically like this. If you figure out our format, this is what happens. If you figure out our format and it works for you and you're green, like it does for hundreds of members, this is what it is. You're green. So when you're green, you need business expenses. You need some tax write-offs, right? So the smart people, what they'll do is they'll figure out what's a minus in my bank account? What's an expense in my bank account that I can have that's actually a massive positive that makes me more money. That's actually like an amazing fucking investment. And then they'll realize, oh, Team Roar. I'm inside of Team Roar. I love the community. I love the group. I love the zero-date options trade alert system. I love the members. I love the access, the exclusivity. And I come in here and I make money, and this is what makes fucking money. And then from there, I need fucking expenses. And the thing that's making me money is a fucking business expense. Oh shit. It's like that's what's called having a smart fucking business expense. For those of you who actually make fucking money, you need to figure out the minuses that you don't have that are actually pluses. There's people in this world who make money, and what they don't understand is when you make money, or even if you're not making a lot of money, there's certain minuses, negatives in your bank account that if you don't have, then you're missing out on a greater positive. There's certain minuses that you need to see on your statement that are actually massive positives. They're not just fucking tax fucking deductions, fucking write-offs. They're actually making you a fuck ton more money. So you can make more fucking money, and then fucking do whatever the fuck you want to fucking do with it, and then fucking pay the IRS more fucking money, right? Works fucking both ways, But, there's plenty of strategies as well to lower taxes and stuff like that. Not going to get into that. But the point being is, and what I want you to understand is, there's plenty of people in this world who just don't invest into themselves or expenses, whatever the fuck. They just don't see it this way. But it's like, there's certain minuses that if you don't have in your bank account, they're costing you more than not having that minus. Not only is it costing you from making more money, but it's costing you from a better fucking life and a better fucking experience. But the problem with some people is they just don't want to take on the responsibility of that monthly recurring minus, which isn't a minus. It's literally a way to become profitable, or you can write it off as a business expense. And also it's a way to make more fucking money. Therefore, it's not a minus. It actually turns into something where if you don't have that minus, you're actually missing out on bigger positives, and that's business, As a business owner, it's very important to understand within life that when you look at your fucking bank statements, there's certain minuses where if you don't have these minuses on your statement, it's actually a bigger minus than not having on your statement, not just financially, but in fucking life. And that's in part of the journey in business is figuring out what the fuck that is. Because with what the fuck I just said, there's illusions within that too. There's things that you genuinely don't need that can actually boost you. And then you have to figure out, do you want those illusions there too that can actually boost as well and help grow whatever the fuck you're trying to do? But the point being is, you need to be able to dissect and see in order to get rich that what minuses and what minuses do you want to be associated with? Because like I said, with what I'm talking about, there's certain illusions where, especially with social media, you know, people portray certain lifestyles or whatever the fuck to inflate certain fucking things or whatever fucking game they're playing on social fucking media. And I'm not saying it doesn't work. It absolutely fucking works, but it's a different type of minus and it could be considered illusion. You have to also have principles and understand on what you want to get involved with this. But the point I'm making is there's certain minuses that you need to figure out to have on your bank statements. And once you figure out those right minuses, you're going to get richer and richer and richer. And then you're going to have more business expenses, more tax deductions while making more money. As you make more money, you also need to figure out how to have more business expenses as well to lower the overall tax bill, but also to make more money. That's a win-win. If you can figure out how to make more money while spending more money, that's a win-win. You make more money and you have more fucking expenses to fucking deduct the fucking, like it's fucking genius. That's a fucking win-win, you know? Because if you don't have those fucking expenses, you're missing out on extra fucking profits and you're missing out on extra fucking tax write-offs. So with that being said, it's the first fucking link. If you want to fucking print at the speed of fucking light, you know, I'm telling you, our fucking group, it's fucking amazing. It's unlimited fucking winning. It's unlimited fucking printing, non-fucking stop. All we do is fucking win. All we do is fucking print. It's fucking amazing. We have members joining, you know, it's just genuine. The team is fucking amazing. Look at this. This is art. This is a work of art. You understand? People genuinely take time and effort out of their day to create something like this. You know, for that to happen, where you don't have to pay someone to create art like this, that means you're genuinely doing something right. You're inspiring people, and people love what it is that you're doing and providing for them, man. And people are passionate, and it's bringing out the passion about, you know, what people love and what they enjoy to do, man. That's fucking amazing. Like I said, this is a direct reflection of our group and of our community. This is what our fucking members do. When our fucking members are fucking loving the group, winning and printing, they make fucking art. They make fucking art pieces, man. You got the screen right here. You got G-Roar, right? G-Roar, Mask, you know, in terms of G-Roar, Anonymous, Mask, the Scream run around, slaughtering, killing every fucking trader you know of. Everybody knows in terms of G-Roar that there's just no other group, nobody who's making trades like this, you know? I mean, to be in those shoes, you can understand why he chooses to be anonymous, you know? And I respect that decision. That's fucking amazing, you know? One of the best ways to make wealth is to not be known, is to be completely anonymous, off the fucking radar, where nobody fucking knows who the fuck you are. So that's fucking amazing, you know? Losing's a personal fucking choice. It's so fucking amazing on what you can do inside of Team Roar, man. It's just fucking amazing, man. Fucking amazing, man. Green juice, end the fucking day, fucking not turning $500 into $3,400. Look at this, man. All on G-Roar's alerts. Look at that. $500 into $3,400. All on G-Roar's trades. That's literally almost 2 years. Almost 2 years. You understand? 2 fucking years. People are doing this in like a week. We have that happen all the time in terms of like weekly results with small accounts, man. Who ended the day green? Look at this. Green is full. Like they said textbook. They said it was fucking textbook. They said being green today was fucking textbook, man. Look at this. Fucking, we got a Jigglypuff. What other group has an animated fucking Jigglypuff? Nobody fucking has that shit, man. That's fucking sacred. That's rare. You never see animated fucking Jigglypuffs in fucking other groups, man. Look at this. Look at this. Me. What other group is spelling out fucking letters? Look, they took that fucking person. They said I'm fucking green. They said me. They said me. I'm fucking green. Look at that. M-E. They fucking spelled that fucking shit out. You see? They're fucking smart. They're fucking smart. They're giving reactions. They're not even fucking replying. They're not typing in like fucking M-E, fucking replying, being all fucking meh. No. They're fucking making fucking art. Our group is making fucking art. This is all fucking reflects. Now they're going to be making art in real life. They're going to look at these fucking emojis. They're going to start making art in real fucking life, man. Our group, our community changes fucking lives, man. I'm fucking telling you, man. It's fucking amazing. It's the first link down below within the description. If you would like to print, exactly. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn how to trade options on Thinkorswim, Charles Schwab. You can look up YouTube videos. You can experiment with the platforms for yourselves. You can give them a call if you have any fucking questions. Take life into your own fucking matter, into your own fucking hands, man. Fucking learn, take fucking control of your fucking life, fucking print. Fucking love it, man. Fucking love it. Exactly. Fucking learn, man. There's no reason to be fucking, the answers are out there. What you're searching for, it's fucking out there. It's within you. You can plug things into Chat GPT. You can learn, experience, fucking grow. You can join fucking communities and fucking level the fuck up. Losing's a personal choice, man. Losing is a personal fucking choice. So, fucking phenomenal, man. Fucking phenomenal. Look at that. Look at that. No questions asked. No questions asked. If you want to go green, it's the first link down below in the description. No questions asked, right? You know? So, it's the first link down below in the description. You know, if you would like to join us, I'm fucking telling you, man, our group, our community is fucking amazing. My gosh, all of that was just literally the past like 30 from fucking like 4 to fucking, man, those power hour, man, those fucking power. I'm telling you, look at all the green leaves, all the green leaves. Look at this, new here. Welcome the new members. The green leaves, we got the green leaves coming in. That green leaf is going to go away. So for those of you who want to give warm welcoming, now's the time, man. That's going to fade. That leaf is going to fade, you know? Everybody comes in here starting with that leaf and they blossom into something fucking amazing, man. We've got a bunch of new members coming in. So it's the first thing down below in the description. Nobody can fucking stop us. I'm well aware in terms of the YouTube channel has not been going up in terms of subscribers, but in terms of Team Roar, the company's at all-time highs. We're still getting a fuck ton of members despite not getting any subscribers. You know, YouTube tried, they all fucking, there's a fuck ton of companies. I can give you a list. I can give you a list of people and a list of companies who genuinely, they want us off the fucking planet, man. There's people who've mass reported this fucking channel, our fucking links. They want to wipe us off the fucking planet. It's like, dude, even if somehow we got banned from these platforms, I'm like, you're not going to fucking stop us. We have a group that is fucking sealed, you know? I mean, there's people who are trying to prevent us to grow. That's definitely real. Like, they're reporting our fucking channel. Within the past fucking month, YouTube, they took away the fucking ad revenue. They don't want us to get fucking paid through fucking ads. They took away the fucking AdSense, so there's no more ads on the fucking videos. They said I could submit a fucking appeal in like a little bit over a month if I want to try to get the fucking ad revenue back. It's like, dude, we're making so much fucking money. It's like it doesn't even fucking matter. But the point is they took it fucking away. So they took away the fucking ad revenue. They gave us a fucking copyright strike. We couldn't post for a fucking week. They age restricted the videos. They age restricted the videos. You can literally Google why videos get age restricted. It's like the most horrible fucking reasons. I'm like, what the fuck is so horrible about this fucking video? All we're doing is making people fucking rich. Fuck. It's just a word fuck. Is that so fucking like, man, people, man. But yeah, I'm telling you, we get mass reported. I can give you a list of companies and people who want to fucking take us down and out. And the reason why is, in terms of the stock market, when you make people rich and fucking successful, it's like there's a lot of fucking jealous, fucking envious people, and there's a lot of people who just want to take you out because, like, that's costing them money. We're making people fucking rich, and people see this shit, and they're coming over here canceling their fucking memberships because they're saying, why the fuck am I paying this person over here when I could pay this person over here? And they come over here and it costs them. I'm telling you, there's a fuck ton of groups who want us fucking out, man. Man, people try to get us banned off fucking Discord. Like, they've tried, but the point being is, you know, no matter what fucking happens, if views fucking drop, if YouTube fucking shadow bans us, if they age restrict the fucking videos, if we can't fucking post, the group's still at all-time fucking highs. Nobody can fucking stop us. There's no fucking stopping Team Roar. You're either with us or fucking against us. You understand? You're either with us or you're trading a fucking against us. And that's your fucking choice, you know? For those of you who already in a way, just by you clicking on this video, already in a way means it's like you're chosen in a way. You're literally chosen to have this opportunity to join fucking Team Roar. I completely understand if it's not in alignment with your situation and where you are in life, that's completely fine. You know, it's not, like, you guys need to understand, like, we're grounded people. We're good, grounded human beings. We completely understand of, like, you know, you can come in this group, figure out the format, get fucking rich. Like, we get it. It could work, but like, we understand for some people it's not urgent. You know, they might be in a situation right now where it's just not for them right now. It just might not be the time for them. But hopefully they don't fucking forget when it is fucking time. That's gonna cost them a fuck ton. But we completely understand. If it's not in alignment, then that's okay. You don't have to join right now. But at some point in time, for those of you who are serious about the stock market, we do genuinely believe it's a requirement that all of you, especially if you clicked on this video, to genuinely join the group. And the reason why I say that is our format works for hundreds of traders who are printing nonstop. Look at this, $43,000 profit, $43,000 profit, just join the group. $43,000 profit, that means that's over fucking 2.5 decades. 2.5 fucking decades on a single fucking day. And he still has a green leaf. He still has a fucking green leaf on his fucking account. Fuck. I don't know any other group that you could fucking join of where you can pay a monthly fee and make fucking years of the fee back on your first fucking day. I just genuinely don't know anywhere else you can fucking do that. I mean, I could see how you can do it when you have multiple days every single week where you make 1,000% returns on all your trades combined, wins and losses, and you add to the wins, which makes you fucking double to triple the gains. I can see how you fucking can do it. I just don't see where else you can do it. I just don't see where anywhere else in the world you can find a real-time 0-to-8 farther money options trading alert system where you put in your max risk per trade, your R multiple, and in terms of that particular situation, the most you lose is what you put into the trade, your max risk per trade. If it expires worthless and goes to zero, then that's the most you lose. And in terms of what you can make unlimited profit potential on our best trades. It's 500% to 1,000% plus. We hit those every single week. And we have the highest win rate in the game, and we add to winners to double to triple the gains, and we set profit stops when we're up 10% to ensure that we don't go green or red, and we move the profit stops up higher to ensure that in this particular situation, by moving the profit stops up higher, we ensure that if the market has a big move against our trade, then you get profit stopped out where you moved it to, not where you set it to, so you don't get back all your fucking gains, right? So we have a system that works, and if you figure out our format and it works for you, then you're going to see there's absolutely no reason to fucking leave. You're going to see this group fucks. There's no reason to fucking leave. We're the fucking GOAT. We're the fucking best. We're all fucking amazing. Nobody's fucking like us, man. Just to even be here. It's like, man, just to even fucking be here. That already in a way means something rare, something sacred, something chosen, because it's like, we're very niche. People know about us, but we're not like super fucking famous, It's not like we're really trying to get super fucking famous. If we wanted to, we could fucking try. I mean, me, as of now, I'm just posting niche fucking videos, not giving a fuck about the titles or fucking thumbnails. That's just what I'm doing right now. That doesn't mean in the future I don't change that. G-Roar, anonymous fucking mask, no social media accounts. The only account he has is on Discord. This is what the fuck we do. We just focus on fucking trading and building our business, building our community, building our group. And we don't have to become like super like fucking famous. We don't have to have that strategy. And the reason why we don't need that strategy to become super famous is because like 9 out of 10 people who join this group, they stay, and they stay for a very, very long time. So it's like, since our fucking churn rate is so fucking low, it's like the lowest in this industry, and our retention is so fucking high where we maintain our customers, we don't need a ton of people we don't need this mass fame to join. We need a fuck ton of, it's like they all fucking stay. It's a compounding effect. The same way we compound our members' accounts is the same way our members who stay compound with us. It adds up to a fuck ton in the long term. Like I said, our group is hitting all-time highs. We're not getting any subscribers on a YouTube channel. We're not getting any new fucking subscribers. It's been stuck at this number, I think, for like a fucking month or 2 months. It's like, we're still fucking growing like fucking rapidly. Losing's a personal fucking choice no matter fucking what. They banned the channel, good. Losing's a personal choice. They age restrict the videos, good. Losing's a personal fucking choice. We're red on the day, good. Losing's a personal. It's like, no matter fucking what, losing's a fucking choice. That's what I'm saying. Like, the people try to tear down our shit or do whatever the fuck report. It's like, if they really want to do that, they're going to have to try 1,000 times harder because it's a fucking choice. And even if they go 1,000 times higher, it's just going to fucking amplify us to 1,000 times fucking better. It's like, we just keep on fucking going higher. When people choose to stay fucking low, we just keep on leveling up so fucking high, they can't even fucking reach us. We're unfucking touchable. It's like, at some fucking point, they're either going to have to try 1,000, they're going to have to figure out how to level up higher, 1,000 fucking times higher, or they just quit and fucking give up and they just fuck off. Like, man, losing is a personal choice, man. Do you see our fucking group? It's just unlimited fucking winning, non-fucking stop, man. It's fucking amazing. First day in the group, been trading for about 3 years, mostly swing trading, been subscribed, watching the YouTube channel for a while. What the fuck is taking people so fucking long? How many fucking wins? For those of you actively trading, how many massive winning days do we need to have in a row for you to join? How much opportunity cost is it going to cost you for you to join? You let us know, and we'll continue to do better. Is it going to cost you like 20 fucking 1,000% winning days in a row, and then you realize, man, they just had 20 days in a row. Each day averaged 1,000% profit return. I just missed out on fucking 20,000 return, 20,000 profit return the past fucking month, man. Look, it's finally time to join. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the fucking team, man. That's exactly what the fuck we do. We learn, we grow, we prosper, we become better. We're real fucking people. There's no fucking bullshit fucking here. Real fucking traders, real fucking trades, real fucking education, real fucking levels, real fucking curriculum, real fucking community. It's all fucking real, man. There's no fucking illusion, fucking bullshit over here. If you want something real, it's real enough where you're literally going to be able to see if this is for you or not. There's people, they just trade all the fucking time, fucking blind. They don't even fucking know if it's for fucking them or not because it's not fucking real. It's all fucking illusion. You know, they're either scamming them fucking selves or they're part of some fucking bullshit, fucking soulless fucking group. You know, I'm telling you, man, this group is fucking amazing, man. It's fucking amazing. Look at the fucking results, man. You guys need to have notifications on. There's no missing the plays. No, we're not missing the fucking plays. We're not missing the fuck out. You're already here. You're in the group. There's no reason to miss the fuck out. If you're in the fucking group, you're in the fucking group. Turn on the notifications, man. Fuck. If you're working at 9 to fucking 5, you hear the fucking bell, you hear the fucking notifications, you hear the fucking vibrations, you need to find 5 fucking minutes to walk the fuck away out of that fucking situation. And if not, then stay fucking standard, stay fucking planted, keep doing what the fuck you gotta do and wait for the next fucking bell. There's gonna be more fucking bells, you know? But in terms of the best results tend to be the fucking system. You know, training alongside it says, look at this, TY, you know? Thank you. That means thank fucking you. They could have wrote it out. They could have spelled it out. THANKYOU. They could have fucking spelled it out, but they chose the TY. So you got to know what TY means. That means thank fucking you. People ask all the time, you know, what does PC fucking P mean? PCP means previous closing fucking price. So if you want to fucking win, if you want to fucking print, we give you the opportunity to. We built this fucking business, built this fucking company. We made this from fucking ash. Made this from fucking ashes. This shit took fucking years to figure out. Over a decade of fucking experience to figure this shit out. If you want to fucking win, if you want to fucking print, if you want to experience something fucking real, the opportunity is the first link down below in the fucking description. It's unlimited fucking winning, unlimited fucking printing, unlimited fucking eating. Look at that. Phenomenal fucking dish. Fucking phenomenal. All we do is fucking win, man. All we do is fucking win. Man, the fucking results, man. Fucking results. Look at this. Fucking airport fucking dish. That's fucking classy as fuck. Look at this, man. Artistic. That's presence. Look at the colors. The fucking colors. Everything fucking stands out. This picture right here is in full alignment. Look at the fucking windows, the fucking colors, the fucking cup matches the fucking plate. The fucking, man. This post right here represents literally being in full fucking alignment, man. Everything just fucking matches. This is fucking phenomenal, man. That's what I love. You want to know what I love in terms of like a living situation, a community? You want to know what I love? I love seeing things that reflect back to me. That's what I fucking love, man. I love being in situations of things that reflect exactly where I'm at and also things that reflect my fucking future, man. I'm telling you, I've been in groups, I've been around people, I've lived in certain places, I've been in certain situations where things have reflected past versions of me. I look at certain things and I'm like, wow, that's like a past version of me. That's like a lower version of me. Like, wow, that's like low. But you want to know what I like being around? I like being around groups, communities, places I'm living, you know, people that reflects something good, you know, a good reflection. And that good reflection could be where you're at right now. You see something like that. It's just like, wow, that's a positive reflection. It's like a mirror. It could also be fucking future, you know, something you see in a fucking future that you want, but you may not have right now. That's what I like seeing, man. I like seeing fucking positive, beautiful fucking reflections, man. I'm telling you, there's people and there's communities in this fucking world, and they're going to reflect the good and fucking bad, man. So I'm telling you, it's very important to find, you know, you can find a community, find people that reflect good, positive things within you, within your presence, and also things that reflect something that you want within your fucking future, man. I'm telling you, it's fucking phenomenal. Being around that energy, being around people and being around communities that give you a direct reflection of something that you see, right? That aligns within where you're at presently, and also things that align with where you want to be in the future. That's fucking amazing, man. Because people don't want to be, you know, some people don't want to be around things where, you know, they're just around something that reflects just lowness, and lowness. But there's ways where something can reflect it. That's, man, what I'm talking about, this gets far more complicated. What I mean by that is, in terms of something reflecting, there's people in communities that can reflect a past version of you that you've already conquered, and you already know what that's like, and you don't want to be around that anymore because you're like, well, fuck, I don't want to be that anymore. Like, there's people in communities that reflect past lower versions of you, and a lot of people don't want to be around that because they've leveled up. You know, they don't want to be around that. They're like, I already conquered that. That doesn't make sense anymore. Like, I'm not at that level, right? And then there's other things where in certain groups, certain people will reflect something within you that might need to grow or might need to change, you know. And some people, when they see that reflection, they take it out on another person. You know, it's like a mirror. Some people will mirror something in you, some sort of like lowness within you, like something low that maybe you're figuring out, or something that needs to change, or something that you're still figuring out. There's people or communities that come into your life, or places that come into your life and reflect that into you. And some people, they try to like, they see that mirror and they try to smash it. And that, you know, reflection, that person, that place, they try to like destroy it. Some people like that. I would not recommend that. You know, level the fuck up, man. If something's reflecting something low in you, like try to figure that shit out and change for the better and level up for the better. Don't try to fucking destroy that person or that fucking place because it reflects something low in you. But the other point I was making is, if something is reflecting a past version of you where you're like, whoa, I don't want to be around that anymore, like that, you know, maybe that like used to be me, or maybe that used to be who I hanged around with, right? If something like that is going on, then just stay the fuck away from that. Like that's just not in fucking alignment. That's one thing I learned. So that's the difference in terms of what the fuck I was trying to say, man. But I'm telling you, if something reflects something low in you, and it's not like a past version of yourself, and it's actually like something low and something you need to work on or fucking change or figure the fuck out, that could be opportunity to fucking grow massively. If you fucking face your fucking self and you face that person or face that place or whatever, you know, fucking facing that fucking reflection, that right there is fucking life changing, man. I've been through that. That's changed my fucking life. I've seen facing that is, man, one of the most biggest growth ever in life, man. I'm telling you, man, you got to be aware of, you know, places and people and communities of what they reflect, you know, what they reflect in you. I'm telling you, they could reflect past versions of you that you no longer are. And if that's it, typically it's best to just stay the fuck away from that. You know, it depends, but it's best to stay away from, especially if it's something like negative. If it's negative, yeah, just stay the fuck away from that. If it's just a past version of you, man, then just, that's it. You've outgrown it. You've learned, you see the contrast, you see the difference now, and then just keep leveling up, stay in alignment. But man, just want to share that with you because in terms of those lessons, man, I'm telling you, that's changed my fucking life. And this also reflects within trading if you look at it from trading, man. But look at this, $376 profit, 675 puts, 1550 profit, 635 puts. I'm telling you, man, it's the first link down below in the description. If you want to fucking win, it's the first link down below in the description. I will see you guys tomorrow within the chat.